We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The Hakka Theater officially started in 1999 after it won wonderful reviews for its premiere play, which was organized by the Taipei city government. The troupe's main purpose is to present the different issues that the Hakka culture faces by using body language. The troupe goes to courses to improve its knowledge of Hakka language, literature, history, and other parts of the culture. Through these courses and discussions, they hope their plays can become richer and have more cultural diversity. Different views always come out when troupe members have their discussions. The troupe includes 4 ethnic groups in Taiwan. They may have difficulties understanding each other's culture and perspectives, but from this form of exchange, they find issues that they overlooked before, leading to more reflection, and which is exactly what the troupe wants. Hello everyone, I am Joseph Lin. Hey, Joseph Lin.
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
And welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day. You know, the Moon Festival is just coming up, and I want to know how to say that in Hakka.
板夜班
Oh, is that how you say it? 板夜班
板夜班
就是8月半。这跟我们前几个月学到那个端午节 the Dragon Boat Festival 一样嘛。It happened in May, so you guys call it like 五月节嘛，对不对？
五月节。
So let's say something in Hakka that you know is kind of like what you do during Moon Festival. 通常中秋节到了，我们可能会讲说要去看月亮啦，吃月饼啊，有没有这样的话可以来教？
做对啦。板夜15。
板夜15，板夜就是 August 8月嘛。8
月15。
15。板夜15。
捏公公，
什么公公啊？
捏公公，
我是哥哥而已，不是公公啊！不要乱叫。
对呀，月亮很亮啊，捏公公。
哦，月亮光光。
捏公啊，我们教过了。
哦，捏公公。Okay, so August 15th, the moon is bright.
板夜15，捏公公。
板夜15，捏公公。
看捏公。
看捏公。
食捏公饼。
食捏公饼，好多捏公哦。
就月亮。
都是月亮。OK。
月饼很像月亮一样圆圆的。
哦，捏公。Okay, that's the moon, and to watch the moon, and also to eat the mooncakes. 那 mooncake 怎么讲？
食捏公饼。
食捏公饼。吃中秋月饼就对了啊！所以 let's review that.
板夜15，捏公公。
板夜15，捏公公。
看捏公。
看捏公。
食捏公饼。
食捏公饼。Thank you. That's it for our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
是母太嘎。
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.